Hey everyone, welcome to CodeBattleZone. Today I am here with a brand new JavaScript Tutorial Series. It is the first video where I am going to give you a complete overview on JavaScript. Here I will tell you first what is the JavaScript, how it works, what JavaScript can do, and why we should learn JavaScript even in 2025. Let's start the battle. What is the JavaScript? JavaScript is a high-level interpreted scripting language. Originally, it was designed for the web pages. Means JavaScript actually was designed for the web pages. Means initially it was using for the browser. Actually, it runs in the browser. When we runs a web page, JavaScript runs to make the pages interactive so that user can communicate with the pages. Otherwise it's a static page. Like if you think skeleton is like the HTML, CSS gives some parts on the design the skeleton, design on that things like combination, color combination, do the something like your eyes make it black, your hair is black, your body color is done by the CSS, but JavaScript make it live, put the sense on the web page. The JavaScript is very important for the modern websites. Almost 99% modern website using JavaScript. So you can understand how much important JavaScript is. If you think which modern websites, modern apps, Google, Facebook, Netflix, Amazon, everyone using JavaScript. Every companies has their web app and they are using JavaScript. And JavaScript, how it works? It's a interpreted scripting language. So it needs an engine. So like Chrome has an engine like V8 engine, that is called JS engine as well. So it interprets the JS language, then we can get the result. But it's grown itself, and nowadays it can be used in various platforms outside of the browser. The main thing is the Node.js. Node.js creates an environment for the JavaScript so that JavaScript can be run in the server. Otherwise it only runs in the browser locally. The client side. The browser means the client, server is some other computer. So client means your system. But currently, as using the Node.js, it can be run or it can communicate with the OS level APIs as well. So Node.js gives the power of the use of JavaScript. So it's now JavaScript is all in one. What JavaScript can do? JavaScript can do everything. nowadays. If you want to create mobile app, there is option like React Native is there to create mobile app that is based on JavaScript, Node.js. If you want to create desktop app, that also can be done by JavaScript. This cross-platform option means you will code in a single way. It will create different types of desktop apps: iOS, Windows, Ubuntu. 3 types of apps you can build by single code. So Electron.js is there for desktop app. Similarly, if you want to create game development, there is also an option. There is several JavaScript framework over there. If you want to work with machine learning, that can also be done using JavaScript today. If you want to work with IoT devices, that can also be done. If you want to create some advanced web page or structured web page only using JavaScript, HTML, and make it fast, or creating virtual DOM, so everything can be done. There is a various options. React Native, its library, or most of the people knows the jQuery is here. That is also a library based on JavaScript, so that we can easily and short way use the JavaScript. Framework also there based on JavaScript. JS, that is a framework. AngularJS, that is also a framework based on JavaScript. So now it's all in one. That is why we should learn JavaScript in 2025 and as well for future. So I hope you guys are understanding the importance of JavaScript. Only using JavaScript you can be a full stack developer. No other language needs to be learned. If you want, if you can put your all involvement with JavaScript as well. And using JavaScript you can do everything as a software developer, and it's very simple and it's very easy as well, and so interesting language. Thank you. I hope you guys now getting interested, and obviously I will come with the next videos and give you a step-by-step guide from the scratch, as it is be absolute basic, like a variable, loops, function, string function, array function, everything will be there on the next videos. First I will apply the JavaScript on the web, means on the web pages, on the I will run the JavaScript on the browser. Then I will gradually move to the other platform, like I will use the Node.js, and I'll show you how it works on the server. Then I will show you how it works on the other platform, desktop, for desktop application, for mobile application, how it works. So it will be a complete guide if you are beginner, or even if you are web developer. So refresh your mind on JavaScript, you can watch the video as well. Thank you guys. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. If you have any queries, you can comment me, or you can directly email me. I'll put my email ID on the description. Thank you.